Hey students, welcome to week 2. I'm glad you're here. It's been good to get to know you. I just want to walk you through the nuts and bolts of week 2, and then all the rest are going to be the same as this. Okay. Again, you have by Wednesday at midnight and by Saturday at midnight are when the two things are due. Each week will have one of these little Q&A support forums. You don't need to do anything on that. It's if somebody has a generic question about something, they can post there and other classmates can help. But it's not used as much. You're going to study. Then you're going to post some insights about what you studied. Then you're going to come back, and all that's due by Wednesday. You'll come back between Thursday and Saturday and comment on other classmates' posts, what they said about their initial insights. And then you're going to submit your reflection paper and turn in your weekly report. And that's the same thing every single week. All right. So I'm going to walk you through these again really quick because there's something I don't want you to miss. On the personal study, again, it's pretty heavy, so don't skip it. You'll get out of it what you put into it here, 100%. So you're going to study about the atonement, click on these readings, applying the atonement of Jesus Christ, click on all those readings. Salvation for the dead, click on the readings. Ordinances of salvation, click on the readings. Study all of that. Don't skip it. Again, you're taking a 14-week course and shoving it into 7 weeks, which is exciting, but a lot of work. So don't cheapen that, please. After you've studied that, then you're going to go here and you're going to submit this, your insights. You're going to be each in groups. Okay, now this is important because you're going to submit 3 passages. One of them has to be a scripture, okay, or three insights. One of them's got to be a scripture, and you'll explain that, all right? And then, do not forget this, post at least 1 question. So on your initial insights of what you studied, you have 3 insights. One of them is about scripture. The other 2 can be about scripture. They can be about a talk you studied, but you got to have at least one about scripture. And so you'll post 3 insights and 1 question. It is very helpful when you post your stuff if you do like separate those, insight 1, 2, and 3, and then and then separate your question so other classmates can see it easily. Bold it if you want, put it in red if you want, but something like that, and then you'll post that. All right. You'll post that up there. Then you're going to come back to that with your final insights. You've got to comment on at least 2 of your group's members. And it can't just be something like, nice comment, I like that. Be real with them and share with them what you liked about that and have a conversation if you want with them. But you'll need to respond to at least 2 classmates' posts by Saturday at midnight. Then you're going to come and do the reflection and synthesis report. This is a different template than what you opened on week 1. So get this template. All right. Otherwise, you'll be off and wrong. So you'll open that. It'll download a file. And there it comes. That's the one from last week. Hold on. There we go. Oops, make sure you can see that. Okay, so this is your reflection and synthesis. Put your name in there, put the week number 2. Here's the article of faith, write it down, the ones that we studied this week. And then in 200 to 300 words, again, list 3 scriptures or events that you found this week from the article of faith and explain why. Those can be what you put in your initial post if you want, but make sure, again, you put those here and your word count. You've got to include the word count. If you don't, you get docked. Now this right here section, the synthesis, changes from the week previous. What you're going to do is read through this, and then you're going to pick a topic, any of these topics, and you're going to explain how a topic here is related to the article of faith that you studied. All right, and you're going to respond to between 300 and 450 words. Don't go under 300, don't go over 450, okay? And you're going to write all of that response right here and list your word response. Save that file, week 2, then you'll come back here and you'll upload that. Where'd that go to upload that? You'll Oh, it was back on that other one. You'll upload it like I showed you on week 1, and then you'll take the quiz, and then you're done. That's what you'll do, and you'll do that each week. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. One of the number one things that I see where people mess up is they forget their question on their initial post, and they don't respond to at least two other classmates between Thursday and Saturday, and then they don't include the word counts. Those are the 3 top things that I see over and over happen. So make sure you do those, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and have a fantastic week. And again, thank you for being here. This is the gospel of Jesus Christ. It is absolutely true, and it's an exciting time to be a disciple of Jesus Christ. Thanks for being here.